And if you want these, you're gonna have to take them.
It's over, Razor.
This is my first ever BMW and my first ever German car. I'm really having a hard time putting into words how this car makes me feel. I'll summarize it in a way where it's easy to understand. The only way I can put it into words, it's like finding the extra nugget at the bottom of your McDonald's bag. It's like peeling off the protective cover off of a brand new flat screen TV or a cell phone. I'm trying to figure out a way to put it into words where everybody can kind of just understand what I'm talking about. I got it. It's like going in raw for the first time. Big thank you to John with Taxi Pro Parts for selling me his pride and joy. He also happens to be selling this fully kitted out Crown Vic LX Sport. If anybody's interested in buying it, hit him up on Instagram at Taxi Pro Parts. This is my 2003 BMW E46 M3. And right now, the Need for Speed Most Wanted and Fast and Furious fanboys in me are both collectively shitting their pants for the simple reason that I actually own this car. Now, the first thing you'll notice when looking at this M3 is the thick AF GTR wide body kit, followed by the carbon fiber hood. Now, all those things definitely add to the cool factor of this car. For me, the cherry on top, that sweet, delicious icing on top of the cake, are these rims right here. You guys are looking at 18 by 9.5 up front and 18 by 11 in the rear. But that's not even the best part, because the best part is that these rims are installed as wide as they are. Huge shout out to Fitment Industries. Actually, these are custom made, literally from scratch rims just for this car, for the simple purpose of not having any kind of wheel spacers. As wide as these rims are, that's the insane part, is that there are no wheel spacers in this thing whatsoever. Now, this particular M3 comes equipped with the SMG transmission. Put it simply, an SMG transmission is a manual transmission for people who don't know how to drive a manual transmission. For the record, I'm not one of those people, but that's kind of the only way that I can describe it so you guys can understand. It literally has all the characteristics of a manual transmission. You have to have the emergency brake activated. It will creep forward if you let go of the accelerator. It'll start rolling backwards if you're at a slight incline on a hill. As far as all the inner workings and clutches and everything, it's literally a manual transmission, except you don't roll through all the gears. You just go up and down, and there is no clutch. Hands down, this is the best stock out of the box handling car I've ever owned. It's actually hard to find the words to describe the feeling you get when throwing this car around corners. The closest I can get is that it feels like the car's on a track or on rails. The car literally feels like it's glued to the road. Now, I don't know if it's because of the wider stance or the big ass wing in the back, but driving this car around a corner at high speeds feels like a hot knife cutting through butter. Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy shit. That was a quick little tour of my 2003 BMW E46 M3. Now bear in mind that I'm still a noob when it comes to the Euro car world. And what I'm trying to say by that is that I'm still learning a lot about these cars each and every single day. Now, if you're new to my channel, I normally focus on Crown Victoria and Panther car content. If you were to browse through my YouTube videos, it's literally like 90% of everything that I make, it's Crown Vic videos. So if you guys would actually be interested in seeing more videos of the Beamer, let me know in the comments section down below. You guys want to see more of this car? You want to see any kind of modifications? Crap, I forgot to show you guys one more thing. A lot of you guys might be asking, hell, what the hell else is there to do to this car? It's already decked out. Well, you guys are looking at the stock M3 engine that came in this car. 3.2 liters, 333 horsepower, revs to almost about 8,000 RPM. I'd say 7,900 RPM. But the engine is completely stock. The car is completely stock, besides obviously the bodywork. So if you guys would like to see more M3 content in the future, let me know, comment section down below. And if you have any modification ideas, like I said, I'm still learning. I don't know much about these cars. I want to know everything there is to know, every kind of modification, maybe things I should do to maintain the car, keep it, help it last longer, or maybe a tune or something like that. Remember, it does have the SMG transmission. Either way, it's your boy Mr. Random. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take it easy.